get?
Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit.
Have you had it before?
Yeah. Yeah, Wendy's breakfast, pretty good.
Really?
Yeah. And look, potatoes.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wedges?
Yeah.
Those look thick.
I know. I know McDonald's breakfast gets like a lot of hype, but Wendy's is better.
And I just landed in Orlando. I have not been here since 2019, but I've been here a lot for swimming, and now we're here for fun. So we're going to get our rental car, and then we're going to drive to Vero Beach and hopefully get a bite of food. I saw there's some canes nearby, but Whole Foods will also do. 7-Eleven haul! So I was like, okay, so first we got the 7-Eleven pack of cheese, grapes, and apples. This is like their snack pack. They're grown-up Lunchables. And it got mango. I thought for sure. And he also got Celsius.
You thought for sure what?
I was gonna get pineapple. I don't know why. And then I got these protein cookies, which are so bad that they're good. And then I also got 2 hard-boiled eggs. And then Emmett got a protein toaster waffle. But we have no toaster. Hey everyone. We just went on a very, very long walk. Over an hour on the beach. Now we are in the guest suite. It is so gorgeous. I have to show. I love the coloring here. I don't think I would expect this deep army green for a beach house, but it really works in the space. I think it's extremely cozy, and I'm obsessed with this piece of art. Hey buddy, Parker. Parker. Good boy. Cutie.
Wow. Very nice. Yeah.
Egg sandwich. 20 minutes later.
Too.
Yeah. There was also a deluxe one, but it seems pretty intense. It has whole grain bread. Soft scramble. How's the run going?
Pretty good. Hot.
It's a bit too sunny. Yeah, I think we had that coming because we're really running at noon. But the views are good. I'm excited for salmon.
Well, you don't know if you're ordering salmon
Yeah.
yet.
Are you hungry?
Slightly, yeah.
I was also snacking on those pea chips while you were in the shower.
Oh yeah, they're pretty good.
I'm glad I was able to wear this dress.
Yeah, it's a great dress.
Yeah.
If I do say so myself.
Smile! Is it the fluffy bread or the fluffy butter?
It's kind of whipped, but not as fluffy as yesterday.
We're charging the Tesla right now. We're very confused. And we're not sure how much it costs. But as long as it's the same price or cheaper than a tank of gas, we'll be happy. That would have been like... Are you gonna get it?
I don't think so.
What? Why not? It looks good.
I'm going cream wrap.
Right? I think more restaurants should have these curved booths though. I feel great. Let's see how the cream pie is. It does look quite creamy. It's warm.
That's good.
It doesn't have like the quite the ooze I expected. Wawaha! First we got the spiced Coke because why? Did we see a Super Bowl commercial? Yeah, it was really tempting, and we figured it's vacation.
Yeah.
Then we got Skittles because we ate them at the cemetery and were blown away by how good they were. And then next we got Reese's because, you know, we just needed a third thing.
You
I
like
think.
Reese's quite a bit.
I do like them. So yeah, that was a great Wawa session. Yay! Whoa. I remember last time I played tennis, I was freaking out because I wasn't good. I was with my friends on spring break and I got very frustrated
Oh.
because they were pretty good.
Well, we don't need to worry about that.
Mm-hmm.
Seen this for a few months now. I've been intrigued. Whenever they come out with like a new Coke flavor, I usually don't go for it.
So true.
But we saw this at Wawa, Spice Zero Sugar.
Uh-huh.
Gotta see what it's all about.
Let's go. What spice do we think it is?
I don't know, like tahini or like.
Oh, you think it's like a spicy spice? I think it's like a warm cooking spice.
It literally doesn't say it. The spice as an ingredient.
It's probably proprietary.
Wow.
Is it good? That was a huge sip.
Yeah.
That was like a thirsty boy sip.
Well, okay, I was a little thirsty, but also it's very good.
Really?
Yeah, you're gonna have to try. I'll take the camera.
Okay.
It's pretty good. Yeah.
So it still kind of tastes like Coke.
Yeah.
Like with a little something extra.
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the last day in beautiful Vero Beach. Emma and I are flying out today. So I'm just getting in one last run in the beautiful Florida sunshine before we return to New York. Thank you so much for following along in this vlog. It's been really fun sharing some moments at Vero Beach with everyone. And stay tuned for the next video. Hey, come back. Buddy.